Hello everyone, welcome to my channel serifixstar.life. I hope you all are doing well and coping well with the COVID-19 situation. This is my first video of weekly tarot guidance. I'm giving the guidance for the week 27th May to 2nd of June. In front of you I have laid out 3 pack of cards, Group O, Group G and Group N. All you have to do is focus on these 3 pack of cards and think of a situation or a question that you have been looking forward for the guidance to receive from the universe or from your higher self. Just concentrate on these cards. There is no hurry. Just focus on them. Try to think of the question or the situation and ask for the guidance to receive from the universe. Once you have done focusing on choosing a particular group for yourself, you can switch to the readings of that particular group. This is Group O, Group G, Group N. So now let's just begin with the reading for the Group O. I just laid out the cards. Here are the cards for the Group O. On the professional front, Group O, if you have chosen the Group O, then I do feel that on the professional front you might have a lot of options this week or opportunities coming your way, but it is advisable that you please pay attention to what you are actually wishing for, because not everything as it seems to be true. Also, I feel this week, if you are about to sign any contracts or any agreements within your job or with any business venture, I would advise you to make sure that you pay attention to the details. If it is too good to be true, then definitely it requires your attention on the professional front. And also, somehow I feel that if you receive any opportunity this week and you are able to take a decision, seize that opportunity. That opportunity is definitely going to bring out the positive changes in your life. And if you are not able to take a decision and you're not able to weigh down the pros and cons of any particular decision that you want to take, then I would advise you to please ground yourself, meditate and listen to your intuition and inner voice. That would be the best way to help yourself. Also, if you are still not able to receive that guidance, I would advise you that you can chant this affirmation, which is, I am willing to do what I can to make my dreams a reality. I repeat the affirmation, I am willing to do what I can to make my dreams a reality. It is because that this week somehow I feel that you might have your head in the clouds, seeing so many options, being overwhelmed with the opportunities, but not everything is as it seems to be. Okay. Also, when it comes to the relationships, I think that it is advisable that you do not get be judgmental on the basis of your past experiences, and you just need to break away the conventional mode of thinking that you have been thinking all this while, and you need to look at the relationships from a fresh perspective. If there are any relationship or any situations in your relationships that needs your attention, you are asked this week to pay attention to those relationships and take charge for those relationships. Also, by the end of the week, I do see a lot of energy coming your way, and you will be taking actions and charge in the situations, be it professional or the personal front. Health wise, I would say that I see that you might end up taking in the beginning of the week too many things for yourself to complete. So I would advise you to take as much as you are able to complete by the end of the week, and not just everything that comes your way. Be wise enough to pick up the things that you think that you will be able to handle on the basis of your energy. That is all for the Group O. Thank you so much for listening, and if you do feel resonated with this reading, please do leave a comment below and let me know how did you find the reading. Thank you so much, guys. Now let's just see the cards for the group G. Okay. Group G, this week I feel that you might hear from an old friend, or you might feel little nostalgic in the beginning of this week. On the relationship front, I feel you might hear from a past relationship, or you may revisit your past, thinking of the good old memories. But the advice this week for you is that do not spend too much time in your past, because past has nothing new to offer you, be it the good memories or the old memories, and you just need to let go whatever is it that you are focusing on in about your past, be it your professional or personal. Just let it go. And if you somehow feel stuck, you're not able to move this week, and you just thinking of your past, then I would advise you that you can, if you wish to, you can chant an affirmation which is I respect the past but embrace the present moment. It is important for us to live in the present moment, because the essence of life is in the present moment and not in the past. So I think this is the message coming this week for the group G. On the health wise, I would like to advise you that if there is someone in your family or in your friends who is not doing well or going through any challenges, I would advise you to take care of them, show them love, affection, and support them, because there's an old saying which says the charity begins from home. It is important that we take care of our relationships, be it the professional relationships or the personal relationships. If anyone is going through any challenges, it is a good start of the week for you to do it, that you take care of them, show them the love, support, and affection. And that is all when it comes to the health for group G, if you have chosen group G. Also on the personal front, if I see, one is definitely that you might listen from a old friend or a past relationship. Also I see that if you are in a relationship, you might feel that you would be feeling irritated or having a lot of arguments over small petty issues with your partner. I would advise you to please think before you speak, and rather than focusing on small issues, it is advisable that you please spend some quality time with your partner. Also somehow I also feel that if any one of you who has chosen group G, if you are feeling or you have been thinking lately of any good ideas, bright ideas to promote your business, or to give that break or that jump in your business, I think it is a good week for you to put your ideas or your thoughts into motion, because I do see a lot of energy coming your way this week. By the end of the week, and whatever outcomes that you have been trying to analyze of your thoughts that you are thinking, they are definitely going to be positive, way more positive than you have actually expected and hoped for. So that is all that I have for group G. Please do let me know how you felt the reading, and you can leave your comments below in the comment section. Thank you so much. Okay, now let's just see what we have for the group N. Okay. Group N this week, in the beginning of the week, I feel that you might have to deal with certain situations that are little stressing or conflicting situations. Somehow I also feel that because of the beginning, you have to deal with such conflicting situations, you might feel emotionally drained out or emotionally blocked. So the best advice here is that what you can do is that if there are children in your family, try to spend some quality time with the children or your family, which is definitely going to give you a boost of energy. And also If there are any situations that are requesting you to put attention, I would suggest you to take one by one, and that is how you can deal with all the conflicting situations that you have. When it comes to the relationship, I feel that you might have arguments, blaming each other over these small issues. So better is that you try not to take any decisions, or try not to say anything that is going to sound bitter to someone else. So the cards are telling you this week to hold on, to pause yourself for some time, do meditation. I would advise you to do the meditation for the beginning of this week. At least 3 days in this week, I would advise you to meditate, which is definitely going to give you a mental peace. Because health wise also, I see that as you're emotionally you are getting so drained out, I feel health wise that there might be some issues related to anxiety. So it is good if you can meditate this week, in the beginning of the week. Also, by the end of the week, I do see that the situation or the conflicting situations that you may have in the beginning of the week is going to get better or in your favor. This is definitely going to give you an opportunity where you will be able to wrap the situations perfectly, which will bring peace and harmony to you. Also, if you are really feeling emotionally drained out already, as the week has already started, so I would suggest you that you can chant an affirmation, which is, I have all the support and love I need. I have all the love and support I need. So I think that is all that I have for the group N. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked the reading. Please do leave your comments in the comment box below how you like the reading. It would be really helpful to me. Once again, thank you so much for watching the video, and I wish you all a very great week ahead. If you want to seek guidance, you can contact me through Facebook or the Instagram channel. And stay safe, stay happy, and stay healthy. Thank you so much, guys. Namaste.